Good afternoon, my lecturers, my fellow debaters. My name is Mary Otedola, and I'm here to support the notion that says a farmer is greater than a teacher. According to Mr. Clifford Daniel in 1982, I quote, a farmer